Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Michigan Condo Voices. If you've ever wondered why decisions in your HOA seem delayed, communication feels inconsistent, or issues linger longer than expected, you are not alone. Today we're talking about something most co-owners never see, how conflict between board members behind the scenes can quietly affect the entire community. Board conflict is more common than people think. First, it's important to say this clearly. Disagreement on HOA boards is normal. Different perspectives, priorities, and opinions are all part of governance. Conflict becomes a problem not because people disagree, but because the disagreement isn't managed through clear processes. Most co owners never see these dynamics, and that's okay. But the effects often show up indirectly in ways that feel confusing or frustrating. When board members are in ongoing conflict, communities may experience decisions that get delayed or repeatedly tabled, repairs or projects that stall without explanation, inconsistent or minimal communication, budget uncertainty or last minute decisions, and board member burnout or resignations. To co owners, this can feel like, why is nothing getting done around here? Or, why does everything feel so disorganized? And worse, what is happening in our community? Common signals may include a decline in how the grounds are upkept. What's important to understand is that these outcomes stem from process breakdowns, not individual intentions. Often, certain roles are especially sensitive. Some board roles carry greater responsibility and pressure, particularly leadership and financial roles. When conflict involves decision makers or financial oversight, it can impact budget planning, reserve decisions, maintenance prioritization, and risk management. Even when co-owners never hear about disagreements, they may still experience the consequences through delayed action or unclear direction. Transparency doesn't mean sharing personal conflict, and it does not require boards to share personal disagreements or internal tensions. And it does require clear explanation of decision processes, communication about timelines, consistent application of rules, and predictable procedures. Transparency is about process, not personalities. When co owners understand how decisions are made, even when progress is slow, trust is easier to maintain. Co owners don't need to insert themselves into board conflict to be informed. Focusing on processes reduces speculation and helps stabilize communities. Behind the scenes, conflict is normal, but unmanaged conflict without clear processes can quietly affect everyone. That's why understanding governance matters. Processes protect co-owners, boards, and communities as a whole. Transparency is more than a slogan, it's essential. Take care, everyone, and thanks for joining me.